Hey, I'm Vanessa Joy, and today I'm going to show you how to shoot wedding getting ready. I do have my makeup artist, Lindsay, who's going to pop over and just pretend. When I first get there on a wedding day, I'm not trying to get up close. I'm just going to be getting scenes. I'm gonna have Lindsay doing makeup right here, just gonna like pretend. I don't photograph anybody with half a face of makeup, so the first thing that I'm gonna get are wide shots. So let's go ahead and start with some wide shots a little bit further away. That looks great. We'll get low, get some foreground in there. I'm always just looking for some kind of foreground to make it a little bit more interesting. All right, now when the full face of makeup is complete, that's when I'm gonna move them around and ask them to do some fake makeup shots. All right, now I'm gonna get some close-ups. So I would love to do one with you pretending to your own makeup. I think I'm gonna have you over here. And our goal always, wide, medium, tight. I love shots where it's like the bride is just last minute trying to figure themselves out and look, and sometimes it's after the dress, sometimes it's while they're not, but you're just gonna stand here and just kind of like lean in, and I'm gonna get some mirror shots. And perfect, that's awesome. Another thing I like to focus on while we're doing hair and makeup is a lot of the details. So like just little kind of details, but also is getting the details of the room. So I'm gonna photograph like the glasses set up, and there's a lot of personalization that happens sometimes, or I'm gonna photograph the plants. It's just gonna come together really nicely in the album when I have some of the decor and not just a bunch of faces.
You learn most when you are there on the job, and this is the next best thing, Shadow a Pro. Shadow a Pro is behind the scenes look at over 21 weddings and engagement sessions, real ones, not curated ones, not necessarily even my best, most visually appealing ones. They are real, they are raw, they're exactly what I do on any given wedding day. I also have videos there for you that are direct instruction on things like lighting the reception details, lighting the toasts, and so much more. Now I can't just have a course without giving you a bazillion bonuses. I'm giving you my very favorite pre-shoot client questionnaire. I'm showing you my family starter list. There's a posing cheat sheet. There's a second photographer guide. There's even a posing phrase sheet that will help you prompt your clients to get authentic, real emotions instead of solely staged ones. You are getting so much content, so many more bonuses that you're probably seeing on the screen right now, in addition to the actual meaty content that Shadow Pro provides. Everything as real and raw as it gets. I hope to see you inside Shadow Pro.
Okay, last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shut all of these shades here. I'm gonna show you how I would do this with a flash. So sometimes, and let's actually turn on all the ugly lights, because this will be a better representation of some hotel rooms that you're in sometimes, and it looks like this, and it's just god awful. If you don't have a nice bright light, find a way to bounce it off of something. Perfect. If you're just joining me on YouTube, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Definitely leave me some comments on things that you want to see. And don't forget, I have a subscription service that gives you all of this detailed information, shows you behind the scenes of this shoot so that you can get better at photography. See you later.